Discover the freedom of tiny living without sacrificing your wallet. In this must-watch video, we unveil the best prefab tiny homes available on Amazon for under $50,000. Whether you're dreaming of a minimalist lifestyle, seeking an affordable housing solution, or simply curious about the tiny home movement, this video is your ultimate guide. From luxurious foldable houses to eco-friendly kits, we've scoured Amazon to bring you tiny homes that blend style, functionality, and affordability. Let's dive into the world of tiny living and discover how small spaces can lead to big adventures. Number 11. Generic prefabricated tiny home. $29,999. This compact and cozy prefab tiny home features one bedroom, a living room, a kitchen, and a bathroom, covering a floor space of 28 square meters and measuring 8.5 meters in length, 3.3 meters in width, and 3.3 meters in height. Designed to accommodate 2 people, it has a power consumption of 100 kilowatts and a total net weight of 7 tons. It's an ideal choice for prefab tiny homes enthusiasts who value innovation, quality, and practicality. Whether you are seeking a reliable prefabricated home solution or looking to invest in a cozy tiny home for sale, this design offers a perfect blend of comfort and functionality. Number 10. Generic Space Capsule Tiny Home. $45,550. Experience luxurious and modern living with our Space Capsule Cabin House Hotel, a 315 square foot prefabricated mobile capsule that combines the epitome of luxury with the convenience of portability. Designed with a durable galvanized steel frame and equipped with advanced materials, it requires no assembly and is easy to transport, making it perfect for those who value both quality and convenience. This capsule is outfitted with smart features including an air-heated 3-in-1 integrated bathroom, a Gree ducted air conditioner, and an intelligent control system for the whole house, ensuring ultimate comfort. Its versatility makes it ideal for use in hotels, villas, apartments, or office buildings, adapting seamlessly to various settings. With the capability to withstand high winds and offering a full bathroom, it's the ultimate solution for modern portable living. Number 9. Anovoal 40-foot modern 2-story foldable house. $17,000. This 40-foot modern and luxury foldable double-story house combines vertical space maximization and luxurious finishes for an enhanced living experience, featuring a well-designed staircase or optional elevator for easy access between levels. Its prefabricated construction ensures precision, high quality, and environmentally friendly building processes with reduced time and waste. The modular lightweight design allows for easy disassembly, transportation, and reassembly, offering flexibility and portability. It's designed to be expandable with customizable floor plans and scalable design, allowing additional modules for more space. The home is filled with amenities like large windows, spacious rooms, high-tech security, and home automation for comfort and convenience, alongside energy-efficient systems, solar panels, and insulated walls for optimal thermal performance. It also boasts outdoor living spaces such as balconies or terraces, integrated with stylish furniture and landscaping, seamlessly connecting indoor and outdoor environments for a holistic and luxurious living experience. Number 8. Zolyndo Store Portable Prefabricated Tiny Home. $10,499. This 13 by 20 foot portable prefabricated tiny home offers a spacious living alternative with more room than typical shipping containers, designed to accommodate 2 bedrooms, a living room, a bathroom, and a kitchen. Crafted for safety and durability, it features a steel frame and flame-retardant foam wallboard for waterproofing, thermal insulation, earthquake resistance, grade 8, and wind resistance, grade 10. Its expandable design allows for easy folding, transport, assembly, and disassembly, ideal for those who relocate frequently. The home is brightened by a multi-window design and comes pre-equipped with full electrical wiring to USA standards for customization. It's versatile enough for use in various settings, including commercial buildings and temporary housing, without staff for dismantling or installation, and furniture and circuits not included. Transportation is by truck delivery, requiring a crane for unloading due to its oversized and heavyweight nature. Number 7. Bovono Outdoor Storage Shed Tiny House. $15,000. This expandable container house has a standard dimension of 19 by 20 by 8 feet after expansion. It offers an ample storage space of around 292.5 square feet. Designed as a special type of permanent house, these container homes are prefabricated in a factory, shipped in a folded state to save space, and are easy to transport. They can be conveniently assembled, disassembled, and relocated multiple times. Constructed with a steel structure and flame-retardant foam wallboard, this house ensures waterproofing, thermal insulation, and durability. It features windows for natural light and ventilation, fostering a comfortable and secure living environment. Assembly is straightforward and fast, requiring installation on a flat surface. Number 6. Alpha Fusion LLC Prefabricated Tiny House. $12,000. Alpha Fusion LLC offers prefabricated tiny houses that are designed for comfortable living. These houses are mobile, meaning you can move them wherever you want. They come with lockable doors and windows to ensure security and privacy. Additionally, these tiny houses include outdoor storage sheds equipped with a restroom, kitchen, cabinet, sinks, outlets, and light switches. The dimensions of these houses are 19 by 20 feet. They're available in an oak and black color scheme, adding a touch of a style to your living space. With Alpha Fusion LLC's prefabricated tiny houses, you can enjoy the convenience of a compact yet fully functional living space, whether you're looking for a weekend getaway or a permanent home. Number 5. Generic Anovoal Outdoor Expandable Prefabricated Tiny House. $15,000. Anovoal offers an amazing opportunity for people who want to live in a unique and compact space with their outdoor expandable prefabricated tiny house kit. This kit is perfect for those who love the idea of living in a tiny house, but also want the flexibility to expand their living space when needed. The prefab tiny house is designed to be placed outdoors and comes in the form of a container house that can be folded when not in use. It's not just a place to live, but also a modern stainless steel storage shed for the house. With dimensions of 19 feet by 40 feet, there's plenty of room to customize and make it your own. Whether you're looking for a minimalist lifestyle or just want a cozy getaway, this foldable house for sale offers both functionality and style. Number 4. Officer Owl Modern Foldable House. $13,400. Introducing the Officer Owl brand. They crafted a special modern foldable house that's just right for living in comfortably. This tiny home kit prefab house is not just for one purpose, it's versatile. Whether you need a cozy home, a studio, or an office space, their container house fits the bill. They have put a lot of effort into making it sturdy and long-lasting, so you can count on it to be a permanent part of your life. With dimensions of 20 by 20 feet, it offers enough space to live in comfortably without feeling cramped. So if you're looking for a durable and convenient living solution, Officer Owl's modern foldable house is the perfect choice for you. Number 3. Generic Prefab Modern Tiny House Kit. $29,999. These houses of Generic come in 2 sizes, 20 feet long and 40 feet long. You can use them for different things like a tiny home to live in, a bed and breakfast, an office, a kiosk, a pool house, a bar, or just for outdoor living. The measurements for the bigger size are 40 feet long, 8 feet wide, and 8 feet tall. But this is just the outer shell, which means it doesn't include any furniture or interior decorations. Number 2. Generic 2-bedroom expandable folding house. $20,000. This 20 by 20 foot prefabricated expandable folding house offers modern living featuring 2 bedrooms, a living room, hall, bathroom, kitchen, and terrace. It's spacious enough to comfortably accommodate up to 4 people, making it ideal for camping, backyard parties, or as temporary housing. Constructed from high-quality steel and aluminum, it boasts weather resistance and durability, complete with a waterproof and windproof membrane for various environmental conditions. The design is both modern and stylish, with a clutter-free interior and full galvanized materials ensuring long-lasting strength. Assembly is straightforward, requiring only a few hours and no professional help, thanks to the included hardware and instructions. It comes equipped with electricity, water, heating, and features like a deck and porch for outdoor enjoyment. The house also includes comprehensive fittings, such as a top corner line, waterproof tape, and electrostatic spray for a protective finish, ensuring convenient and comfortable living. Number 1. Generic Tiny Home. $18,950. Introducing the generic brand's eco-friendly 20-foot by 40-foot tiny home kit. This amazing kit offers a modern prefabricated mobile portable house solution that's perfect for various needs. Made from light steel, it's durable and easy to assemble. With 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, it's cozy yet functional. What's great is its customizability, allowing you to tailor it to your preferences. Fully equipped, it's ready to use for vacation, as a temporary home, office, hotel, or even a villa. Whether you're looking for a compact living solution or a versatile space, this tiny home kit has you covered. And there you have it, folks. A peek into the future of affordable, stylish living, all available on Amazon for under $50K. Whether you're seeking a minimalist lifestyle, a cozy getaway, or a unique living solution, these prefab tiny homes are redefining what it means to live small. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on tiny living and beyond. Until next time, happy house hunting!